Come test drive the 2025 Voyager. The Chrysler Group manufactured the Plymouth Voyager. It was renamed the Chrysler Voyager from 2001 to 2003. The Voyager minivan is a short wheelbase model to give decent maneuverability in a minivan platform. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: rain sensing wipers, rear spoiler, blind spot monitor, heated mirrors, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, power lift gate, stability control, tire pressure monitor, daytime running lights. Come see the car for yourself.